Hello everyone, this is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun bringing you information on how to make money as a beginner real estate agent in Nigeria. You are a beginner real estate agent in Nigeria. In this video, I want to teach you how you can make money as a real estate agent and through real estate agent work. And that is what I'm talking about in this video. Real estate remains one of the most lucrative industries in Nigeria, and not just in Nigeria, also anywhere in the world. With an ever-growing demand for property and a thriving market, for beginners looking to break into real estate, the opportunity is vast, but so are the challenges. However, with the right approach, commitment, and strategic planning, making money as a beginner real estate agent in Nigeria is entirely possible. Here is a guide on how to navigate this exciting field. Number one way is to start by understanding the basics of real estate. Before diving into the real estate business, it's essential to educate yourself on its fundamentals. Learn about property types, land acquisition laws, legal processes involved in buying and selling properties, and the economic factors influencing the market. Many real estate agents in Nigeria get started by attending training programs or mentorship sessions that provide essential knowledge and hands-on experience. Number two way that agents can begin their agency work in Nigeria, real estate agency work, is to work with a reputable real estate company. As a beginner, you need to get experience. As a beginner, one of the best ways to build your reputation and gain experience is by working with a reputable real estate company. These organizations often provide mentorship, exposure to high-value properties, and a network of potential clients. You will also have access to tools, marketing materials, and training that can accelerate your learning curve. Number three, build a strong network. In real estate, networking is everything. The more people you know, the more opportunities you have. Attend industry events in real estate, join local real estate groups, and leverage your social media platforms to connect with potential clients and other professionals in the real estate world. Word of mouth is powerful in the real estate business, and having a strong network can lead to repeat clients and referrals for your real estate business. Now, number four way that you can make money in real estate as a real estate agent, is to leverage social media and online platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and even Facebook are powerful tools for real estate agents. Post regularly about available properties, the process of buying or selling, and your success stories. Additionally, listing properties on online real estate marketplaces such as GG, Property Pro, and Nigerian Property Center can give you wider visibility for your real estate business and for any other business that you are involved in. Number five way to start as a real estate agent in Nigeria is to offer excellent customer service. The Nigerian real estate market can be highly competitive, and clients will remember you for your level of service. Offering prompt responses, clear communication, and personalized attention will make a significant difference. By providing exceptional customer service, you increase the likelihood of repeat business and referrals. The sixth thing you need to do is to understand your local market. Real estate is location specific, and understanding the dynamics of your local market is crucial as a real estate agent. Whether you are working in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, or smaller towns, knowing the demand for certain types of properties, maybe residential, commercial, business premises, for schools, for other things, and understanding the price ranges is essential for making strategic sales. Number 7 thing you need to do is to focus on rentals in the beginning. As a beginner real estate agent, selling properties may feel overwhelming due to the high stakes involved. Starting with rentals can be a more manageable option. The rental market is generally more active and the turnover is faster. Focus on securing good rental properties and matching them with clients who are looking to rent homes or offices. Number 8 thing you need to do to leverage and to make money as a real estate agent is to earn commission from referrals. Even if you are not directly involved in a sale, you can still earn money by referring clients to experienced agents. Many real estate agents offer commission for referral, so it's worth building relationships with those in the industry and becoming a trusted point of contact for individuals looking for properties. Number 9 thing you need to do is to specialize in a niche market. Over time, you might want to specialize in a niche market, such as luxury real estate, student accommodation, or commercial properties. Specializing can help you differentiate yourself from other agents and attract clients who are specifically looking for your expertise. Number 10 thing you need to do is to stay consistent and also stay patient. Success in real estate doesn't happen overnight. Building a career and making money as a real estate agent requires persistence, patience, and consistency. Keep learning, stay committed, and ensure you are always on the lookout for new opportunities. Please like this video. Please share the link of this video with your family and with your friends. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV, and I bring you content on this channel on how to make money both online and offline. Today, we have looked at a very important subject, which is how to make money as a beginner real estate agent in Nigeria. Real estate agents make a lot of money if they know what they are doing. Please, I want to subscribe to this channel. I want to share this link of this video with your family and friends. If you have any question or comment for me, you can ask. If you have property for sale or property that you want to buy, especially in Ilorin, please contact me and I will be happy to assist you with the legwork. So if you want to buy property in Ilorin, Nigeria, you can contact me and I will help you with the legwork. Contact the right people and the right people that want to sell, and you can buy. Ilorin is a good place to invest if you know what you're doing. So we have student areas, you can build hostels, you can buy hostels and rent out, and then you can do many more. You can buy land and do land banking and keep the land for some time. So all these are some of the things that can help you to do. So you can let me know what you feel in the comment section or contact me directly at 080-369-10-988. I'm going to come your way again soon, but before then, there's these videos that are popping up from the right hand side on my channel. Go ahead and watch them. I make a boast that if you watch my channel often for 6 months and your life does not change, then maybe I'm not sent to you. You should go ahead and check another channel. But I am very certain if you watch the channel for 6 months, your life is going to change. Watch my videos and you are going to testify. Go ahead now and watch this video that's popping up right from my own channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.